I'm Kevin Taillard. Been with the company for 19 years and I'm a field technician. A field technician is obviously a person that works alone, but we have a support arm. So our support arm is the team. So when we call in for assistance, they offer the assistance telephonically and they connect also remotely. So we basically put the device down, where we connect to the device, where they remote into the device and they can configure and deal with the software and configs remotely. What makes us different is our resilience. So what excites me the most is the fact that I get to deal with clients that have an issue or that have a problem that they cannot solve. And once that is resolved and business is back and running again, I'm the best person that they see. What I would like to leave as my legacy is I would like to be known as the guy that went the extra mile, not just for myself, but as the Metacom community as well, and serving us all as a family and a company as one. People behind the tech mean to me, we are the face of our company. Whenever we go out and meet and do work for the company, we not just give a part of Metacom, but we also give a part of ourselves, and we also believe that the company is partially ours as well, and how we deal and portray ourselves is the image of the company. Anyone can install a router. We stay after the handshake.